In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a landscape video to portrait in Capcut. So the first thing that you'll need to do once you open your Capcut, go and create a new project for you. Here you'll need to go and add your landscape video. For me, I don't have any, so just record some. I'm just going to click on the record button and we're going to record like a 5-second video. So here I'm just hitting the record button and I'll start recording until this reach 5 seconds. It should not take a lot of time. And yeah, I'm done. I'm just going to stop. And here I'm just going to click on edit more. So once I click on edit more, the video will be added here to my timeline right away. Now to change this video, as you can see, if I zoom it, it's a landscape video. I can play it. What I'll need to do is simply change it into portrait. To do so, you can find this ratio option. As you can see, you find the play button, on the right of it full, on the right of it zoom, and here you'll find ratio. So go and click on that, and here as you can see, you'll find a lot of stuff. So what we'll need is simply this first option, which is portrait. As you can see, you can even choose this one, totally up to you. So as you can see, the portrait is this one. So if you go and click on that, your video will become a portrait. Now if you click on it, as you can see, it will be like that. So you can also change this again, as I said, to this. If you want this, you can change it to a square. Totally up to you. You can change it to like a small screen. So but portrait is this one. So once you do it, as you can see, you'll find it's like a portrait. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.